Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the goal.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be recreating snack wraps for McDonald's, which is a discontinued item. For some reason, restaurants and food brands just love to discontinue the things that we love the most. So we are forced to learn how to make it at home and even better. And even if McDonald's did bring it back, we do not eat there anymore. So this recipe is perfect for anyone who loved it in the past or have always wanted to try it but never got to. So let's get started on the recipe. There are two components that we need to prep: the crispy chicken tenders and the ranch dressing. Okay, our ranch is done. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to make homemade ranch, and it tastes way better than any one that you could buy off the shelf in the store. Just make sure to give it a taste test and make sure everything is to your liking. Perfect. And now we'll set her aside and work on our chicken tenders. One bowl for our dry ingredients and one bowl for the wet. All our prep is done. We have our homemade ranch, our wet batter, our dry batter, and our lettuce is chopped. So now we can actually get to cooking. We are gonna batter our chicken tenders, fry them, and then assemble our snack wraps. snack wraps are all done. I ended up putting one tender in half of them and 2 tenders in the other half. If you want it to be a snack wrap, definitely only add 1 tender, but since this is more of a meal for me, I went for 2, but they're definitely really big and super filling. See if we can get a nice crunch on the chicken. Wow, that is so good. Let's take one more bite, but this time make it extra saucy with the homemade ranch. I can confirm it's delicious. If you end up trying out this recipe, let me know how you like it down below in the comments. And as always, if you want to send a remake over on Instagram, I always love seeing them. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new video. And on that note, I will catch you in the next one. Bye!